Interviews tell you how candidates talk about their work. Home assignments tell you what AI tools can produce. Neither shows you how someone actually thinks under real pressure. 75% of hiring managers have made a bad hire. For a senior PM, that mistake costs up to $240,000 and months of lost momentum. Meet Product Sandbox, a live product management simulation platform where candidates work through a real scenario with an AI stakeholder while you see exactly how they think. Upload your job description and we configure a simulation matched to your role. Ready in minutes. It replaces your home assignment and your product execution interview in one session. Candidates face real decisions, prioritization trade-offs, stakeholder conflict, limited resources. Because it's a live, adaptive conversation, not a form they can copy-paste their way through, what you see is how they actually perform. Every response is scored: analytical rigor, prioritization instincts, communication under pressure. You get a clear hiring recommendation for every candidate: strong hire, yellow flag, or do not hire, and the specific moment that separated them from every other candidate. Your next hire is already in your pipeline. Time to see them in action at sandbox4pm.com/business.